Hey everyone, so here is a video of my aunt's garage door, and as the title states, there is a new door and a new opener. So here's the new door. The door looks beautiful, and I haven't even seen the outside of this door yet. And here is the opener. This is the LiftMaster 87504-267. Let's close the door and hear how it sounds. Here we go. It sounds great. I am wondering what kind of door this is. I'm going to see if there are any stickers. No stickers in the front of the door. It's a Haas garage door. I just saw that sticker right here. It's a Haas door. Let's open the door, and here we go. The opener sounds great, and the belt looks like it is too tight. I can feel the belt tension. It is definitely way too tight. I am wondering if LiftMaster added the feature back where you can turn the light on by tripping the sensors. Nope. I want to see when this opener was made. It was made in August 16th of 2023. Let's test the sensors on this opener. And when you trip the sensors, the light doesn't flash on these step saver openers. There you go. That is the video of my aunt's new Haas garage door and the LiftMaster 87504. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.